Christmas dinner. Now that's something I look forward to all year long. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zested Foods. My name is Christine. As a child, every year on Christmas, my mom made homemade French dip sandwiches. That was such a treat and something we always looked forward to. Still to this day, when I have a French dip sandwich, it brings back all of those fond memories from Christmas. What foods were a tradition in your family while growing up? Do you still make them today, or have you started new food traditions with your family? At Christmas time, you just might see a ham or two around the dinner table. So I'm gonna show you how to make a spiral cut ham. And the first thing you need to do is take your ham and we're gonna place it flat side down on your pan. Then we need to cover it with some aluminum foil to help keep in the moisture because ham dries out really easily and we do not want to eat dry ham. Bake your ham in a preheated 275-degree oven for about 90 minutes. So speaking of traditions, what is a tradition? A tradition is a... Trying again. So speaking of traditions, traditions represent a crucial. Tradition is a crucial part that represents our, I give up. I don't know what a tradition is. I have no idea how to define what a tradition is. A tradition is something that you do all the time with your family, whether they like it or they don't, and you create memories. And it's fun, and you do it over and over and over because that's what you do, because it's tradition. So I thought it would be fun if I asked all of my kids to see if they even know what a tradition is, and also to find out which tradition is their favorite. What is a tradition?
Tradition is something we celebrate in our family. Like, I don't know. You keep houses.
Trash?
Yeah.
Do you like the trash man? While our ham is cooking, let's go ahead and make the glaze for the ham. So to our sauce pot, we're going to add 1.5 cups of brown sugar, a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I just kind of eyeball it. I like mustard, so I'll do about 3 tablespoons. And then we'll do a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Clove is a spice that goes really well with ham. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of honey. Now, don't be afraid thinking this is too much sugar because the ham is a 10-pound ham, so this is gonna cover a lot of surface area, and ham is really salty. So this sweetness is just gonna help counteract some of that salt, and it just goes really well together. So we're just gonna cook this over medium-low heat until all of the sugars are dissolved. I am so grateful for the traditions that I have from when I was a kid, plus the traditions that my husband had from when he was a kid, because now we get to share both of those with our family, and plus we're creating new traditions with our kids. So what are some fun traditions that you do with your family? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe we can start using some of your traditions in our home. What is your favorite tradition that we do?
When we go to our grandma and grandpa's house for a sleepover on Christmas.
Ooh, I love that tradition.
Doing scripture study every morning. Playing with my friends and my cousins. Cream!
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Once the ham comes out of the oven, we're going to remove our aluminum foil and then we're gonna cover it with our glaze. So we're gonna flip our ham back onto its side, and then we are gonna dump this yummy glaze all over the ham. And we're gonna make sure that we get inside all of the slices of ham so we don't skimp out on any flavor. Now we're gonna pop this ham right back into the oven and let it caramelize for about 10 to 15 minutes. I wanna challenge you guys to start a new tradition with your families. Whether it's big or small, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's fun and it's something that they can remember for years to come. If you could start a new tradition for our family, what would it be?
Playing on the Nintendo for a week.
Playing on the Nintendo for a week? Good luck with that one.
Going on a vacation.
Going on a vacation. vacation. And where would you like to go on a vacation as a tradition?
To Harry Potter Land and Disneyland and Minion Land. Playing with toys. Phone.
Is that a microphone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, before you serve it up to your family, I would recommend that you let the ham rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can also go back and cover it with aluminum foil so that it stays warm. But it turned out delicious. Our glaze caramelized all over it. You can also take a spoon here and come back through, and you can baste your ham with that juice that's come out of the ham. It's also going to just help keep your ham moist and give it more of that caramelized flavor right back onto it. Once you let this rest, go ahead and serve it up to your family, and I can guarantee they're going to love it. If you want the full written recipe for this ham, check out the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy your holiday with your family and creating new traditions. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye, camera.
Camera.